Why, hello everybody, welcome back to Mr. R's class, and I hope you're ready to get our chorus group up, back, and singing. If you are ready, let's get going. Why, hello everybody, and thank you for joining me this morning. Yes, I'm still in pajamas. I forgot to record this a little earlier, so I had to do it first thing in the morning. Chorus members, what I want to do, we've kind of been in a big pause moment since this whole remote learning fiasco here. I wanted time for everybody to get used to the new method of learning and kind of just ease back into things. And now that I think everyone has had a pretty good idea of what they're doing, I think it's time for us to get back into singing. So this is my plan. I want to put on a virtual chorus song. You may have seen these on YouTube, you may have seen these in the news, or maybe you haven't seen any of them, and that's okay either way. I'm going to show you all the steps that you need to do if you want to participate in our virtual chorus. It's really easy, it sounds complicated, but it's actually a lot simpler. So let's go to my computer so you can see what we're going to do. So boys and girls, a virtual choir is basically when you record yourself singing and then we put it together so it sounds like a chorus. There's lots of examples of this all over the internet. My favorite one is this one right here. It's pretty amazing. It's it's the song called Rise Up. You may have heard it before.
Broken down and tired of living life on a merry-go-round. You can find the fighter, see it in you, so we go walk it out. Ooh.
Now, as you can tell right now, none of these people are in the same room at all. And what do you notice that they all have in common right now? Hopefully you're saying yes, they all are wearing headphones. This is how they're staying together, is that they have their headphones on and they're listening to the song as they sing along. That's what helps them stay together. If you want to watch the whole thing, you can see right on my screen, it's the Boston's Children's Choir, and the song is called Rise Up. So our goal is to do something very similar to this. So what you need to do is you need to go to our school's webpage. Everyone in this room should know how to get there. And you need to go to my website. So you go click on staff lists, because that's who I am. And you scroll down until you find my name right there, visit site. Hopefully all of you have already been here doing my homework assignments. I know that none of you have just been skipping music class. I know you've all been going there. Am I right? Anyway, and this is the chorus. So we're going to go on to our chorus tab. And for this, our only song that we are concerned about is The Dreamer in Me. Radar? Go ahead. Sorry, my dog was doing something that she shouldn't have. Where was I? So for our virtual choir, for our virtual chorus, the only song that we are concerned about is The Dreamer in Me song. That's it. Just that song only and no other song at all. That's the only thing we're worried about, is The Dreamer in Me song. Now, what you're going to need to do though, in order for this to work, is you're going to need your computer and you're going to need some other kind of device, whether it's a tablet or a phone. You're going to need two kind of devices if you want to be able to do this. And I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you're going to record yourself singing and then send it to Mr. R. Alright? So there's a couple of ways that you can do this. If your computer has a webcam, you just activate the webcam, you record yourself singing the song, and then you can put it into your Google Drive and share it with me. You're not going to be able to email it to me because the file is going to be way too big. So you're going to want to share it. And all of you should know how to share a Google form with a teacher. It's that simple. You put it into your Google Drive, and then the top right hand corner you hit the word share, and then you put in my email address. Alright, now in order to record yourself, what we want to do is we're going to click on the word recording. And you'll see when this screen comes up, we have a whole bunch of different kinds of recordings. These are the ones, the little speakers here. What we want is the 2-part one. Alright, that's the one that we want. So if we click on the 2-part one, the recording comes up. And hopefully this brings back a lot of great memories and to a simpler time, right? Alright, but that's not what we want on our computer. No. What we need is we need this recording to be played on our phone or on your computer, and if you're going to record yourself through your phone, that's fine as well. So basically what I'm saying is you need 2 devices. You need a device to play the song and then another device to record your song. So if your computer is going to record you, then you'll use your phone to have the song being played. Or if you're going to record yourself on your phone, then have your computer play the song. But you definitely want headphones, alright? Because when you're recording, I can't have the song being played in the background. I need absolute silence. The only thing I want you to be recording is your voice. That's it. I feel like this is doing something weird right now in the screen. Is it being weird right now? It just looks that way. The only thing that I need is your voice. So that means that when you are singing, make sure you're in a quiet room, your bedroom, a closet, I don't care, wherever it is, outside if you need it to be, and headphones on with the song being played, so that way you can sing along to the song, you can hear it, you can make sure you're staying together, and then as you record, the only thing it's recording is you singing. So that song that I was just playing, The Dreamer in Me, I'd be having that in my headphones with my computer screen recording me, and I'd be singing. Take my hand and I'll be your guide. I'll take you places that you'll never find. Whatever the words are, I forgot the words. And if you forgot what the words are as well, you'll see right there I have the lyrics that you can just go ahead and click on right there. And you can have the lyrics up as you sing, right? So take my hand and I'll be your guide. I'll take you places that you'll never find. Ooh, I was pretty close with the words. Okay, when you have both the recording of you singing the song, like I said, you can share with Mr. R. When I have a whole bunch, I think I'm going to kind of give you like the whole month of May to have a chance to do this, so that way you have lots of time. I'm going to put all the videos together just like you saw in our Rise Up video, and we'll have our own virtual course. If you have any questions along the way, you're unsure what to do, you're not quite sure how to go through this, or maybe you're having problems, you know that you can always contact me through email, Google Hangout, Google Chat, any kind of form like that, and I'll be more than happy to sit down and talk to you. And if you don't want to do this, that's totally fine as well. Maybe you're not comfortable putting yourself out there and singing like that, and that's fine as well. No big deal. Just know though that you will never be singing alone. Even though your recording is going to be singing alone, when we have all the videos up on our computer screen, it's going to have a whole bunch of sounds. So it's like we are in chorus. So you're never singing alone. You're going to have the entire chorus family in the background with you. If you have any questions, just contact me and I'll be more than happy to help you. Alright, bye guys.